Hi guys, I'm Upalina Gupta and today I'm going to be creating this beautiful bridesmaids look for you. So sit back, follow along and get your glam on. So this was it for the video guys. I hope you liked it. Let me know what you thought about this look in the comment section below. Also let us know what other looks would you like us to create. Until then, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to MyGlamm for fun makeup tutorials. Bye.